Hello guys, welcome to Learning with Prep Class. I am BC, I am a prep class tutor. In this video, I'll be solving questions 1 to 5 of the Loyola College Entrance Examination Quantitative Reasoning Material 4. Subscribe to our channel. This is where you can get more videos like this. Also, don't forget to like and comment on this video. Alright, so let's move on. Study the sample below carefully and use it to find the missing numbers in the question that follow. So in quantitative reasoning, you are given a set of samples to study and then you use this sample to find the missing numbers in the question. So never be in a hurry to solve your questions until you finish studying the sample. So quantitative reasoning is a measure of a person's ability to use mathematical skills to solve problems. So there's something I love about quantitative reasoning, and that is it helps you to think. Because in order for you to be able to solve the problem, in order for you to be able to generate the answer, you need to think deeply. Okay, so what are you supposed to do in quantitative reasoning? The first thing is you study the samples. So these are the samples already. There are 3 of them. Study the samples. Then find out the math necessary to solve the samples. And then do the math. And then check your answer. As simple as that. And also make sure that the math you do is the same for the 3 samples. Okay. So what you do for sample A should be what you will do for sample B and sample C. Because it has to be the same thing. Okay, so now let's look at the samples. The top numbers here are 8 and 13, then the bottom number is 63. So there is a relationship between these 3 numbers. Okay, so let's find out how this is done. Okay. So to do this, all you have to do is to add the top numbers, then multiply the sum, that is the answer you got, by adding the 2 top numbers. Multiply that sum by 3 to get the bottom number. Okay, so the 2 top numbers here are 8 and 13. 8 plus 13 is 21. Then multiply this 21 by 3. 21 multiplied by 3 is 63. So can you see that that is the bottom number? But before you go ahead to your questions, make sure that the rules also apply to the remaining 2 samples. Okay, so in the second sample, the top numbers are 9 and 15. 9 plus 15 is 24. Then 24 multiplied by 3 is 72. Wow! So you can see that this goes with sample B as well. So let's check the last sample to be sure that that's the way we are supposed to answer the questions. Okay, so in the third sample, the top numbers are 7 and 18. 7 plus 18 is 25. Then 25 multiplied by 3 is 75. Yes, it works. That logic works. Okay, so this means that for the questions, all we have to do is to find the sum of the top numbers. That is, we add the 2 top numbers, then we multiply it by 3 to get the bottom number. Simple as ABC. Okay, so now let's move on to the first question, question 1. So we are giving just one of the top number. The second top number is missing, and we are giving a bottom number. So remember, in the samples, to get the bottom number, all we have to do is to add the 2 top numbers, then multiply by 3. But now we are not asked to find the bottom number. We are asked to find the missing top number. So to get a missing top number, we divide the bottom number by 3, then subtract the answer from the top number. Okay, so here the bottom number is 48. So 48 divided by 3, let's do that here. 48 divided by 3. 4 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then bring down the next digit, which is 8. So this becomes 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. So you can see that we've been able to completely divide 48 by 3. So 48 divided by 3 is 16. Now we subtract the answer from the given top number. The given top number is 10. So 16 minus 10 is 6. So you can see here that the missing top number is 6. Now let's check if it is actually correct. Remember, from the samples, we're able to deduce that the sum of the top numbers multiplied by 3 would give us the bottom number. Okay, so now we've gotten the 2 top numbers, 10 and 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 multiplied by 3 would give us 48. So you can see that our answer is correct. It's very, very easy. This is very easy. Okay, so which of the following options is correct? A is 7, B is 6, C is 9, D is 10. The correct option here is B, 6. Check. Question 2. So question 2 is similar to question 1. So we are given a top number, then the second top number is missing, and then we are given the bottom number. So we are going to do it exactly the way we did question 1. Okay, so to get a missing top number, divide the bottom number by 3, then subtract the given top number from the answer. Okay, so now we have the bottom number has 54. So 54 divided by 3 can be done here. 5 divided by 3 is 1. Then 1 times 3 is 3. Then 5 minus 3 is 2. Then bring down the next digit, which is 4. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. So this means that 54 divided by 3 is 18. Then all we have to do now is to subtract the given top number from the answer. The given top number is 2. So 18 minus 2 can be done here. 8 minus 2 is 6. Then 1 minus nothing is 1. So 18 minus 2 is 16. So the missing top number here is 16. For us to be sure that the answer is correct, all we have to do is to add the two top numbers. That is 2 plus 16. That is 18. Then 18 multiplied by 3 is 54. So you can see that the answer is correct. So the missing top number is 16. So which of these options is correct? Option D is 16. So option D is the correct answer. Check. Question 3. So we are given the two top numbers here, 20 and 11. Then the bottom number is missing. So from the sample, we're able to deduct that to get the bottom number, you add the top numbers, then you multiply the sum by 3. Okay. So now the top numbers are 20 and 11. So let's find the sum of 20 and 11. That's 20 plus 11. 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 31. Okay. So now that we have gotten the sum of 20 and 11, we multiply it by 3. Okay. So 31 multiplied by 3 can be done here. 3 times 1 is 3. Then 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is 93. So this means that the missing number is 93. Yay! We got it. Okay, so which of the following options is correct? So the correct option here is C, 93. Okay, so now let's move on to question 4. So here also we are giving the two top numbers. 3 and 15 are the top numbers. Then the bottom number is missing. Okay, so how do we do this? Remember from the samples, to get the bottom number, find the sum of the top numbers, then multiply the sum by 3. Okay, so now the top numbers here are 3 and 15. So the sum of 3 and 15 can be done here. 3 plus 5 is 8. Then 1 plus nothing is 1. So the answer is 18. So the sum of 3 and 15 is 18. Then now we multiply that sum by 3. 18 multiplied by 3. So 3 times 8 is 24. Write 4, carry 2. Then 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So this means that the answer is 54. So when we add the two top numbers and multiply by 3, we get 54. So the missing number is 54. Now let's choose the correct option. So which of these options is correct? Remember our answer is 54. So which option is 54? B, of course. So the correct option here is B. Check. You can see that quantitative reasoning is so easy, right? Okay, so the last question in this video, question 5, we are given the two top numbers as 13 and 16. And then we are asked to find the bottom number. Okay, so how do we do this? You should be able to do this. Okay, so all you have to do is to find the sum of the two top numbers. That is, add the two top numbers. Then multiply the answer by 3. That's all. That's all you have to do to get the bottom number. Okay, so the top numbers here are 13 and 16. Let's find the sum of 13 and 16. 13 plus 16. 3 plus 6 is 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this means that the sum of 13 and 16 is 29. Now we have to multiply that sum by 3. So 29 multiplied by 3. So 3 times 9 is 27. Write 7. Carry 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So this means that the answer is 87. So the bottom number here is 87. So our answer is 87. So which of the following options is 87? It's D. So this means that D is the correct option. So you can see that this is very easy. All you have to do is to add the two top numbers and then you multiply by 3 to get the bottom number, as simple as A, B, C. I hope you were able to learn from this video. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. This is where you can get more videos like this. Till I come your way next time. Bye.